What's up, everybody? Welcome back to your girl's channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Katrese and thank you so much for joining us today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my day and night makeup routine. So for those of us who work full-time or are just really busy and don't have time to take off one full face makeup to put on another full face of makeup, I'm going to show you guys my tips and my few little tricks in order to have a successful transition from daytime to nighttime. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know every single time that I post. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because the TikTok and the Instagram, they popping. So yeah, let's get into this video. All right guys, so let's get into this video. So there are a few essentials that I feel like every girl needs, or a guy, whatever your preference tends to be. You know, makeup is universal, but that's neither here nor there. So the first thing that everybody needs is a moisturizer, a really good moisturizer, because you are going to be wearing the makeup all day and you don't you want your skin to stay hydrated, because for those of us who wear makeup all day, like, your skin will itch after a while if it's not properly hydrated. Okay, it just won't. So I am currently using the Fenty Skin Hydro Visor. If it will focus. It won't focus, but yeah, I'm using the Fenty Skin Moisturizer with SPF in it, which is phenomenal because it's good for your skin. You got to protect your skin. Your skin is very sensitive, guys, especially when you wear makeup and you're in the sun. Okay, so that is the first thing. The second thing is you want to invest in a good setting spray. So I use the Morphe Cosmetic Setting Spray, the continuous one, which looks like this, typically in a black bottle, but this was like some special edition one. But yeah, this is the one that I use. A good alternative is the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I think it's the NYX setting spray. I don't know the name of it, but I will have them put up here in the pictures, whatever, in the video. Also, it'll be linked in the description box below. So these two things are very important. The next important thing is you want to invest in a good eyelash glue. So there are a lot of eyelash glues out there. I know people who use hair glue. I am not one of them. I'm scared. But what I use is the Duo brush adhesive one, which I love. This one is a good one. It's easy to apply and it's easy to put on, and it doesn't take as long to dry as the regular Duo, the regular white Duo. The Kiss brand is also good. That is a good alternative. But if you are going to be wearing makeup all day and you are going to be wearing lashes all day, you do want to make sure you have a great strong lash glue that will last throughout the day, because it will fade after a while. So two things we need when it comes to a good all night, all day, all night type of makeup. Number one, simplicity is key. So as you see, I have done my makeup off camera and I've done a very simple look. All I did was do my basic foundation, concealer, all that fun stuff. And all I did was put on some liner, some lashes, and a little bit of bronzer on my lids. Because when it comes to day and night makeup, you want to keep it as simple as possible. Because if you're doing like a smoky eye at 10 a.m., it's not going to look cute at 7 p.m. It's just not. It's too much in the morning and then it'll look really bad at night. You also don't want to do like a whole lot of colors, because the colors fade after a while and it's like, it just looks weird. And then you don't want people to know that you have makeup on all day. Like, that's the key. The key is you want to look like you just put your makeup on. That is the key. So my little tip and my little tricks are: number one, you have to have good setting powder, good eyelash glue, and a good moisturizer so that your face doesn't get oily. Also, you want to have 2 sets of lipsticks. So you guys know I am the queen of the ombre. I love me a good ombre lip. I do, but when it comes to day and night, I use these two combinations. So the first combination I use, and I will put on camera, is the Morphe True Story and the Morphe Coca-Cola collaboration in Tastemaker. So I don't know if they still offer the Coca-Cola one, but I do know they still have the True Story brand. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it on camera. So I do have chapstick on my lips at the moment, but it's okay. So I'm gonna wipe some of that off because it's a little greasy. You know, I gotta make sure your lips are hydrated. So first set we're gonna do is that. So I'm gonna go in, and this one we're not gonna ombre. We're just going to line. Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna go in with the True Story and we're gonna line our lips. So now that the True Story is on, now let it sit just a second. Dude, I feel like this lash is lifting. Then we're gonna go in with the Tastemaker by Coca-Cola. We're gonna put it right on top. And I like this one because it has a little bit of shimmer. So now, as you can see with this is very cute, very simple, very daytimey. It will like matte up a little bit because it is a matte base. Because you know your girl loves a good matte. Like I live for a good matte. But a cute little gloss is always good in the morning if you're going for like a little like brunch day with your friends, or little brunch day with your friend. You're going to a theme park or something like that and you don't want to look so like dramatic, but it's very simple, very light, very airy, very like dainty. Now when we switch to the nighttime, baby, so this is also good if you're doing like a date. I don't go on many dates, but it's good if you go on a date. So this is like a cute little like daytime, like I'm innocent, I don't look too like round type of situation. Now when it comes to the nighttime, we can switch it up. So my go-to nighttime is, this is my new favorite color combo, and everybody on my last video was like, oh my god, what's the color combo? This is my favorite color combo. So what it is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in the color Protector. And then I have two options. I have the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Butter, and then I also use the Morphe one, and I believe it's in the shade True Story. It might be, unless that was the other shade. Was that the other shade? I don't know, but when I have the other shade I will write it down. But those are the two color combos that I use with this particular lip. So I'm gonna wipe this lip off and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the other one. All right guys, so I have now wiped that lip off. We're all fresh and clean. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline and we're going to ombre this look. So we're gonna go, and so when doing a good ombre look, you want to start in the corners and use this pointed tip, and you're gonna use it to your advantage. So let's zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so it looks a little funky. Yes, we know. So you want to leave a little bit of this middle open so that you can ombre the lips. So now we're going to go in with the NYX. I'm just going to put it right here in the middle. And you're just going to put it right here in the middle. And then we're going to rub it out. And then we're going to do another layer and rub it out. And you want to stay right in these little sections right here. Don't try not to stray out of the lines. And then sometimes you might have to go back in a little more for this little, just to balance it out. Boom. So look, now I look like I'm going outside. So nothing changed. I didn't change anything except my lips. So you see how the one lip looked totally different than this lip. So the key to day and night makeup is it doesn't have to be overly complicated. It doesn't have to be super difficult. It literally can be the changing of the lips. So me changing my lips changed the whole look. The look looks like I'm going outside at night. It looks like I'm going somewhere. You know, it's not just like a chill, like play. Like I look like, yeah, where we going? Alright guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Turn on your post notifications so you know every single time that I post. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, because the content is coming, baby. The content is coming. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also guys, tag me if you do any of these day and night routine. I mean, these daytime and nighttime lip routines, I guess that's what I can call it. But yeah, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Bye.